What was your motivation to come to Slovenia and to come on EVS?
Yeah, because I was in a moment of my life that I really want to live one experience abroad, and I was looking all the opportunities that I had, like I don't know, to try to find a job or try to study abroad or whatever, and finally I discovered the EVS program and I started to find all the information, and for me was this kind of program cannot be real. Why everyone know this kind of opportunities? And finally I was trying to find different projects and I found Nefiks, and from the first day that I found Nefiks I have this feeling that yes, I want to go, and I start to find information about Slovenia, about Ljubljana, about the Zavod Nefiks, what they do and this kind of stuff. And yes, and then also the first contact with my coordinator and the Nefiks thing was really nice. So yeah, I was completely sure that was my things.
Okay, so now you are finishing this EVS and soon you are going home.
Yeah.
And what, if you look back, did everything that you expected came true, or?
Yeah. Honestly, yes, because to be honest, also I didn't put like so much expectation just with the project. Like as a project, I was like thinking in a big way, and for sure, finally all my expectation was overcome, because
So what was the thing that happened to you in these 10 months, but you think that was not good? Or if you had to choose one thing that was not good, what would we say?
Not good, I cannot say. I can say the hardest one, but finally was good, of course, also. And was for sure this challenge of the language. I really like to express and to talk a lot. For me, each word has a different meaning, and when I am talking in Spanish, I really like to use very carefully which word I use in each moment, because for me it's really important. And when I arrived here, I couldn't speak so much in English. Now, so, and for sure, this way of communication, the language was the hardest thing. I remember the first day or the first 2 weeks that I have like a headache, like I cannot receive more information. But now,
Okay. And what was the most, if you had to choose one, if you can, what was the most, like the thing that you are thankful for?
To have the opportunity to connect with people from a lot of parts of the world. That I remember, I don't know, some dinner or some parties where I am with one girl from Lithuania, one guy from Italy, one girl from France, one guy from Turkey or whatever, and finally to be there, like this representation of the world. And I don't know, this kind of experience are unique, And now, for example, when I think in Russia, I try to fight with this kind of stereotype. Now I think in my friend Kate from Russia or my friend Masha from Russia. No, don't tell me this kind of stereotype, because I know people from Russia and are not like this. And I think it's really important if we want to create this kind of feeling of Europe, or
What would be your advice, or what would you say to young people that are maybe in high school, because your task was also to present this opportunity that Europe has? What will be your advice for them?
Just that they know that this kind of opportunities exist. There are this kind of opportunities, and maybe for them now that they are studying and they are with a very clear way or path about they want to do, but maybe in a future or in 1 year or in 5 years or whatever, to have this kind of fantastic opportunities exists. And
So you were here in Slovenia for 10 months.
Yeah.
And what do you think after 10 months about Slovenia, Slovenian?
I think that in Slovenia the people are very polite and they have a very good relation with the nature, with the city, with everything, because everything is super clean. The people, for example, if you are in a bus, the people respect you, your silent, your moment. If you go in a public bathroom, everything is like super clean, and with this kind of things you can feel that this is a very advanced society, and they have this thinking about the collective and about the society and this kind of things. For me was like wow. And also like they are always with a bike, they have to recycle always. They have a great level of English. They are super open-minded in this stuff to host you and to open their house and try to explain. Also, I think that they are like proud of Slovenia. This is Slovenia and I like Slovenia. And and also before finish this little interview, for sure to say thank you to all the team of Zavod Nefiks, because from the first day they put a lot of effort and to host me and to make me feel that I am once more in the team, you know, with every day smiling me and hey, how are you, and this stuff that of course was super great.